It's a full-service florist. We do everything. We do flowers for weddings, for funerals, we do flowers for anniversaries, we do flowers for whatever you need flowers for. I'm artistic. I went to art school. I've always liked to create. It just helps me to express myself in ways that, other people do in different ways, but I can do it through flowers by creating beautiful things. I tell all my girls, pay attention to detail. Very important. Just little things make a difference. A crooked candle at a centerpiece. Things like that. Small details mean a lot. I've been doing this since 2000, when the shop opened. It opened in 2000. People don't always want flowers, they want gifts, something their family could keep if it's for a memorial, a funeral. So we have that, plenty of those, and sympathy gifts. We also have birthday gifts. People just love to come in here and look around because I always have something different. And I'll be honest with you, 75% of my stuff I hand pick, and I try not to pick more than one, so they're unique. Customer service. Weddings, I have brides come to me and want me to do their vision, and their vision is not easy to do sometimes, but I usually nab it, so. I think we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing, and I've been in the business for 23 years, and I'm still learning.